Hi students, in this video we are going to learn an important question from quadratic equation. Find out the roots of the following equation. So they have given as 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x minus 6 which is equal to 9 by 20. So they have mentioned as x should not be equal to minus 6 or 6, minus 3 or 6. Why? Because if you substitute x in the place of minus 3, the denominator will become 0. That will give you a non-defined value. That's why we should not take the value. That's why they have mentioned here. We no need to use this one. We have to solve this. Now for the being the denominators are different, we have to take the LCM. So x minus 6 into 1 will give you 1 into x minus 6. And this minus 1 into x plus 3. So we are doing the LCM. The denominator will be x plus 3 and x minus 6 it will come, which is equal to 9 by 20. Now 1 into x is x, 1 6 are 6. Minus 1 into x minus x, plus into minus 3. Divided by denominator also will do the multiplication. X into x will give you x square. 3 into x is 3x. Plus 6 into x will give you minus 6x and minus 18 finally. X into x, x square, 3 into x, 3x. And with this minus 6 into x, minus 6 into 3. So which is equal to 9 by 20. Now here in the numerator, minus 6 and plus 6 will get cancelled. So minus 6 minus 3 will give you minus 9 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 6x. If you subtract, it will be minus 3x minus 18, which is equal to 9 by 20 we have. So the 9 by 20, if you bring it to this side, it will become 20 by 9, which is equal to 1. So this 9 and this 9 we can cancel. Now the denominator you can take it to other side. The numerator is minus 20, which is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 18. Now the minus 20 also let's take to other side. It will be x squared minus 3x minus 18 plus 20 equal to 0. Now these two are constants. We'll club them together. It will be plus 2 which is equal to 0. Now we have to go for the factorization. 1 into 2. 2 multiplication 2 should come. Addition value minus 3 should come. So minus 1 into minus 2 will give you minus 3. Since the first number is 1, if you divide it by this, there is no difference will happen. So let's take the variable as it is. So x minus 1 and x minus 2. You can use the shortcut to finalize the value. X minus 1 and x minus 2 will be the final one. Let's equate separately. X minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 2 also will be equal to 0. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Minus 2 will become plus 2. So x is equal to plus 2 is one answer. X is equal to 1 is another answer. That is the final value for the given question. So look at this question. Find the roots of this equation. So 2x squared plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have to factorize to find the root. So 2 4s are 8. Multiplication 8 should come. In between 1 should come. It's not possible because 4 2s are 8. 4 and 2 will never give you 1. Otherwise 4 2s are or 8 1s are. Nothing will give you 1 in the middle. So we have to use the quadratic formula to factorize the above question. So quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula to find the roots? Minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Now in this question, your a value, b value and c values are a value is 2, b is 1, c value is minus 4. Let's substitute here. So the minus let's keep as it is. In the place of b, you have to take this 1. Plus or minus root of b squared. So 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c value minus 4. You have to take along with the minus 4 minus divided by 2 into a value 2. Now minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Divided by 2 2s are 4, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. So 33 we can't take it out of the root. So we can write it. The roots are, so there are two roots, one with the plus sign, one with the minus sign. Minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. The another one is minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Though these are all the final roots for the given question. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So 4 root 2 x squared plus 8x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Now whenever they are asking for discriminant or nature of the roots, we have to go for the formula b squared minus 4ac. Only the discriminant they are asked us to find. So only this we need to identify. A value which is given along with the x squared is a value, so 4 root 2. B value along with the x, it is 8. C value, the remaining terms, 2 root 2. Let's substitute now. Discriminant equal to b squared is 8 squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. After writing 8 8s are 64 minus 4 4s are 16 multiplied by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 2s are, it will be 4. So let's write it. So 64 minus 16 4s are again 64. So 64 minus 64 will give you 0. So the discriminant of the given question is 0. Suppose in your exam if they ask us to find the nature of the root, since the discriminant is 0, so we can write the roots are real and equal, we can state real and equal. Suppose if you got the answer, whenever we are finding the discriminant, that is b squared minus 4ac, if suppose it is greater than 0, we have to state that the roots are real and unequal or distinct, we can write. If it is 0, roots are real and equal. Suppose whenever you are finding the value, it may be less than 0. That means it may be the negative number. That time you should say that no real roots. No real roots, or you can state that it's a complex roots, or you can state that it's a imaginary roots. All the three are correct. So anyway they can give the option. So imaginary roots also correct. Complex roots also correct. So whenever the inside the root, if you are getting the negative number, that is called a complex number. So the complex root also, it will be the correct option only. So whenever we are getting b squared minus 4ac is a what value? Negative value. These three options is possible. So if you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, subscribe our channel for more videos.